Pirates, are you trying to get through your dry dock January? Well, I am here to tell you that got a recipe for you that is going to help you through it and get you to the end. All right, it's called the Shipwright. So all you're gonna need to do is basically grab yourself a sprig of mint. Basically just peel that off right there, drop that in there. You're gonna need 2 strips of lime peel. Drop that right in there, nice and clean. 2 teaspoons of coconut palm sugar, 1 ounce of lime juice. So that's the other side here, 1 ounce of lime juice right in there. Then you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of molasses. So this stuff is pretty sticky, so make sure you get that in there. Add in just a touch, literally just a stew of salt and of apple cider vinegar, like just the slightest touch, right about there. You're gonna muddle it for a little while, get that all kind of mixed in there. Add the ice, you're gonna add 6 ounces of coconut water. And now you're gonna add yourself two dashes of Angostura bitters, 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So that's about, right about there. Vanilla extract. Finally, 1 dash, 1 simple drop of liquid smoke. Cover it up. Give it a shake. Strain it right into a goblet. And finish it off with a wedge of orange and lime. And you are good to go. That there, my friends, is the Shipwright. Cheers.